Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add your Instagram link to TikTok bio. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing we need to do is open our Instagram app. Once opened, tap your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. After you click that, you'll be taken to a page where you can see your username. All you need to do here is remember your Instagram username. Next, open your browser. In the address bar, type instagram.com/your username. Press enter and you should be redirected to your Instagram profile. Once you're on your profile, go to the address bar and copy the full link. After copying that link, open your TikTok app. Now that you're on TikTok, tap your profile icon. Then click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Account, and then select Switch to Business Account. Once selected, tap through the next prompts, and then choose any category for your business. For example, I'll just pick a random one and click Next. If prompted, you can add your email address, but I'll skip that step, as well as any other optional screens. Now that you're in your business account, click the X in the top left corner to return to your profile. From there, tap Edit next to your profile. Scroll down until you see the Links section. You'll have the option to add a website directly. Click on Add, and here, paste the Instagram link you copied earlier into that section, then tap Save. Once saved, return to your TikTok profile, and you'll now see your Instagram link displayed there. So that is basically it. So that's basically how you can add your Instagram link to TikTok bio. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.